Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to shoot a vlog for the day, and first I have a lecture to attend. Right now I'm on the campus. You can see I have a beautiful view behind me, and today after the lecture I'll go to the library, and I'm also thinking to visit the city center. So in this vlog you will get to know what a typical day as an international student looks like. So now let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, done with the lecture and completed 2 applications in the library, and now I'm heading towards city center. It's cold. I should have brought my jacket, but it's okay. So maybe I'll do some shopping, or I can also watch a movie. So now let's go and see what happens. So guys, did some shopping from Primark and now I'm feeling very hungry, so I will eat something. So guys, just completed with the shopping and I have so much things to carry, and I've also booked a movie which is Sky Force. It's an Indian movie, so I'll be seeing it in Odeon cinemas. So now let's go there and let's enjoy the movie.
Later that same evening.
So guys, just completed the movie and it was really good. If you haven't watched Sky Force, I would highly recommend it. And now for me, the big task is to take my shopping back home. So I'll be taking a bus back.
A few minutes later.
Hi guys, I'm back to my room and it was a hectic day, but I enjoyed a lot. I hope you also liked the video. If you did, so please subscribe to the channel. And if you are coming to the UK and haven't booked your accommodation till now, then the link is in the description box below for AmberStudent. All you need to do is go on their website and you can book based on your university or whichever city you are planning to come. And I will see you in the next one. Till that time, take care. Bye bye guys.